English shorthand 100 words per minute. Ready? We start. Ladies and gentlemen, Para, it gives me great pleasure to welcome you all to this, the 15th annual general meeting of the company, and the second since it underwent a major change in its structure and business as a result of the purchase of large tea and other plantation in addition to various trading and agency activities. Para, the director's report and profit and loss account sent to you provide full information regarding the operation of the company during the year and the results achieved. Therefore, do not want to waste your time and discussing the same points. With your permission, I shall take them as read. Para, now I propose to discuss mainly various factors which affect the tea industry in general and ourselves in particular. Before doing so, I feel it is appropriate, however, that I should refer to the general economic situation of our country. I hope you will appreciate that while more than 90% of our profits continue to be derived from the Indian tea industry, which is a matter of great pride and satisfaction. In spite of this, I am to inform you that the company's operations and results are considerably influenced by the overall economic and social environment in which that industry functions and the compulsions to which it is thereby subjected. Para, during the year under review, the national economy recorded some changes. The rise in cost has been contained, the money supply appears to be under control, and food production was a record. The trend is general industrial production, however, is not as satisfactory as one would have wished and now regularly found. Power shortage has seriously affected our industrial growth. The government has set up a number of committees. The outcome of such discussion and the implementation of such suggestions as they might make will be of great importance to the economy in general and to industries such as the tea industry in particular. The Committee on Wages, Income and Prices has perhaps the wide range of issue for consideration. Para, there is much talk about our foreign exchange balance and there are suggestions that they should be used for importing gold and consumer goods. Para, I shall be following in my duty if I do not record the cooperation of our staff. I express my thanks to the shareholders for their continued support in all our efforts and thanks to all of you. Full stop.